Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyan Tutorials. So today in this video, we'll see how to find the small image in the large image. For example, I have a large image, fruits here. Okay. So in the fruits, I want to find whether plum is present or not. Okay. So this is a large image, fruits. So I want to find the plum in this image or not. So plum I have to take one image separately, right? So this is my plum. So I want to find whether this small image is present in this large image or not. Okay. So I have written a Python script here. So import CV2 and import numpy as NP. Then read the large image and the small image. Okay. Then we have to find the result using match template function, the CV2, and give the large image and small image and find the result using this method. Okay. Then threshold value you have to give 0.8. So if it is 80% matched, you are okay. Okay. Then get the return value, maximum value using min max location of this result. Okay. If this maximum value is greater than threshold 80%, then we will display it as a image present, or else we can represent it as the image is not present. Okay. So we have in this large image we have this plum, right? So let us see running the script whether we can find the image or not. So once you run the image, then we got here image present. That means plum is present in the fruits. Okay. Now I will take a fruit which is not present in the these fruits. Okay. Banana is not there. Okay. Let us take banana and test our script. So I have taken a banana separately like this. Okay. This is my banana. So I will run script using this banana image and let us see the output. Okay, replace plum with banana. Okay, and run the script. Okay, we got image is not present because banana is not present in the this bunch of fruits. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhiyan Tutorials for more such amazing Python videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.